Hey, so this is going to be my second video on these Yaheetech, whatever they are. These are floorboards, patio boards, and so I've been alternating them. One going one way, the other going the other way. And see here, they pretty much just lock right into place. They have these interlocking little connecting pieces on them. And they, one of the reasons I got these is because they're slightly elevated. You know, they have little feet at the bottom, and my cellar has a propensity to flood, so they're just slightly elevated enough so if it does flood, then the water will just run underneath and not destroy the wood itself. And they really do just snap right into place. You know, they have these little interlocking connecting pieces here. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? And it's just that easy. I definitely recommend squatting down and not trying to bend over, you're going to hurt your back. Really just that easy. And it all interlocks so it doesn't slide around at all. And I have my workbench here on you know, holding it down as well. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Good night and good luck.